Today we're going to be unboxing these. Got a really cheap set of lights. I got a great deal on these. I'm hoping to do a series on these types of lights eventually. I've got a lot of catching up to do. So let's get this open and see what we've got. So this box, as you can see, although it's been massacred with tape, it is not open. It's completely sealed. I've not been in here to have a look. I'm going to unbox it so you can experience it with me. And we have a very nice example of some Icicle lights. These are from Starlight. Logo looks very similar to Dazzler's. £3.75. Green cable, so it's very late 80s, I would say. What particulars do we have? We have particulars, but a little bit difficult to read because of the background. But I do like this maroon with gold Christmas trees. And the most generic of particular designs, seen this type on a lot of lights. If you'd like to read these, you can pause the video here, and here, and here, and here. It's a long box, so it's difficult for me to look. Shows you how to remove and attach your shades and bulbs. We've got bayonet fit connector, shows you where you need to put your lead wires towards the terminals. And we've got very bog standard particulars for the bulbs, 12 volt 1.1 watt for the normals, and 12 volt 1 watt for the fuse bulbs. Recommends to use a 5 amp fuse, but we'll probably change that. This has had a plug added on, a Wilkinson's plug. Looks quite new, but we'll have a little look inside and see what's going on in here. Okay, it's been attached pretty well. Got a little knot in it. Put that there. Let's have a little. Everything's nice and tight. And our fuse is a 3 amp fuse, so I'll probably just leave that in place. And it's a Bussmann fuse. Get everything back on. And I won't mention their name, but there's a particular subscriber who's been looking for a cheap set of Icicle lights. Reach out to me and I will let you have these very, very cheap. They come boxed and hopefully they're in working condition. I'm not even checked yet. Let's get these out. I mean, the colours look really vivid on these. Got our plug ready there. We'll have a quick look at them before we light them up. They look like they've had very minimal use. They've definitely been out the box before. We don't have any spare bulbs. We usually have spare bulbs in there. But I can see a fuse bulb. There's our fuse bulb. Our bulb holder bases are smooth. Sometimes you get them ribbed. They've got nice long filaments on them. We've got the cross blade type. So this will probably have come out the same factory as the Woolworths lights. And some of the others like Britram, Swan and the likes. These are the thinner type Icicle shades. These are the better ones because they get a bit more refraction. They come apart from their bases really easily. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I don't know if that's a misdesign, but it's been designed to not be one piece. It's kind of flexible. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Let's check another one and see if it's the same and not just a mold issue. We'll pick a more random one here. We'll get this green one. That one doesn't want to come off. I'm not going to force the issue, but look how vivid that green is. That looks brand new. Oh, we've got meltage. Oh dear. So they have been used, but we've got meltage, so that's not good. Let's see if we can find a replacement shade. Let's see if we can find a nice one. So we've got a couple of different types of design in here. So these ones are of a similar design to these ones. They even look not quite the same mold pattern, but very, very close. And then these ones are the later 2000s nasty cheap ones, but again, they're handy for spares. Let's have a look inside here. So this one has a completely solid base. I can't tell what this one was because it's melted. See if this blue one will give up. No. Strangely enough, they are not giving up. The fuse bulb one did, but the others don't. No, they're not giving up. But inside, they're all one piece. So I don't know whether the fuse bulb one is particular to this set or it's just a misshape. They're very strange. But there we go. That's back on there. And apart from the fact that you can tell it's miscoloured from nicotine, you'd never know. But at least it's been replaced and it's not knackered. So let's see if they work. Hopefully they're not cascade failures. Okay, they are on, I can see. I'll turn up our brightness a little bit on the dimmer. Okay. Okay, they all work. So I'm a bit surprised by the meltage. I will turn that down a little bit to stop the flicker. But they all work. The colours are great. We have red, yellow, blue, green, red again, pink, green, blue, yellow, red, red. So maybe they're just in the wrong order. But we have all these colours. I'll turn the lights off a bit more. There we go. Now, let's see what colours we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't quite tell if this is red or pink because it's quite faded. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. And we've got at least 1, 2 pink. So it looks like a couple of bulbs have been replaced in the past, but they are in very good condition for the year. So the yellows and greens are holding up very, very well. There's obviously a little bit of banding because you can see there's a bit of white coming through on there. You might not be able to tell through the camera, but at least they all work. I'm just surprised about that melted shade. That is not hot. A bulb is not hot to touch, and it's on full power. So unless it was not fitted properly and it was just sitting on there loose like that where the bulb is on the side, a very strange one, but they work. But you can still find bargains, you can still find them boxed, and you can still find them in good condition. I was very happy with this purchase, but again, you know who you are in the comments section who's been after a set of Icicle lights. If you want these, reach out to me and I'll let you have them very, very cheap. I'll let you have them for cost price. The price that they cost to ship to me, plus the cost to ship to you. That's all they will cost you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Look out for a future video about Icicle lights, and we'll go through a lot more design changes that they've had over the years and do a little evolution of them and some modern updates that I've managed to acquire. And I'll catch you all on the next one.